Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what I'm showing you guys here is 3 different set of door guard seals. These are all stainless steel with different logos. The top one here, we got your Mopar logo. Second one here is just your SRT Hellcat logo with the black in the middle. And here is your SRT logo stainless steel door guard seal. The one up here, the Mopar one, comes with both front, right and left side door, and then your both rear, right and left side door. And also your last one here, the SRT one, it comes with a set of 4. The SRT Hellcat one only comes with 2. This is what the back part of each of these look like. They got the 3M tape in the back. These are not hard to install at all. I actually have the instructions right here. I'll lay each one down. This one is for just the Dodge Charger SRT door guard seals, which is this one here. We got the Hellcat Charger, and we got your Dodge Charger, the Mopar one, which is this one here. And it comes with a set of alcohol prep pads. So you just pretty much clean the area where you're gonna install these so they stick better. I'm gonna show you how these are installed. So here I'm gonna show you what the Mopar one looks like. So yeah, just make sure to clean this area here with the alcohol prep pad. No dirt, nothing whatsoever. Make sure it's dried, and remove the 3M tape and just install it here, push it down, and you're pretty much set to go. This is what the Mopar one would look like. It's pretty neat, right? And then the rear one is this one here. As you can see, the texture is the same. Same thing, you would clean up here and just install it, and that's what it would look like. And here we have your SRT door guard seal. Look at how just beautiful it gives the pop look of the entrance of the vehicle. That's just very nice. And we got the rear part here. Here's what it looks like installed also. The textured here is almost like a brushed aluminum. And then we got your SRT Hellcat one here. So yeah, all you pretty much do is just remove the 3M tape and you're all set. Just look at how gorgeous this thing looks. It's nice. The reason you would want to buy one of the door guard seals is because it helps with, you know, scratches and scuffs when you're coming in and out of your vehicle. This will help protect it. And it's stainless steel, so it's very great quality. It won't rust or anything like that. So I mean, it gives it a better look. Every time you hop in your car, you're only gonna like mess this up, not your paint. But yeah, the door guard seals are here to protect your ride on the entrance, so it gives it a really nice look. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in any of these stainless steel door guard seals with the Mopar logo, SRT Hellcat, or just the SRT plain, they will be in the description below. But yeah, follow us on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Don't forget to like and comment, let us know what you think. Thank you.